Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is Christmas Eve. We got Christmas going on tomorrow. A little bit excited, a little not excited because I already actually celebrated Christmas because my mom's actually in Hawaii. So I'm usually with my mom on Christmas, but this is actually the first Christmas ever in my whole entire life that I'm not going to be with her because she's in Hawaii. But that's what she wanted to do, so I'm glad she's there and I'm glad she's having a good time. And we were able to open up presents about a week ago before she left, so that was cool and everything. If you're seeing this video, Mom, Merry Christmas. Hope you're enjoying your time in Hawaii. First things first, I know a lot of people aren't going to go to work today, but I am. I got a couple more things to get done before tomorrow, you know, make that last extra dollar, and we're going to get it done today. I'm going to take you along with me on my day. So thank you guys for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more future videos, and thank you guys for the subscribers that I have already. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. That was my goal, to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're going to be cutting it a little bit short, but who knows what can happen. Maybe we'll have a Christmas miracle. But anyways, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. All right, peace. So I will say it is a very beautiful day out today. It's been raining for the past couple days pretty hard, and it was actually supposed to rain today, so I actually wasn't planning on working today. But it's a very beautiful day. We got blue skies. I mean, not too many clouds in the sky. So I'm actually really happy that the rain stopped so I can get some work in today and be able to make a little bit more money before Christmas happens. All right, so the worst thing about landscape services around this time of the year is the trees, man. All the leaves are just crazy. And especially this yard that I'm doing today, you know, we've been cleaning up leaves every single week for the past 6 weeks. The trees over here were freaking massive, and same with the backyard. So let me show you. So there's a tree, the leaves are almost done. They're all over the yard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow all the leaves more out to the yard, and then the lawnmower will kind of suck them up, so it'll be a little bit more easy for me to do. Guys, so that's pretty much it for the front yard. As you can see, it's nice and clean. Got the street nice and clean. I just need to blow off one more time, and then it'll look extra nice. Number one tip, always go extra and beyond for the customer. They appreciate it, and a lot of the times I get tips. All right, I'll take you guys to the backyard. All right, so you guys kind of get the idea. Leaves everywhere. Leaves everywhere. Do the same thing, blow them on the grass, and that's it. Woo! Even though it's cold out here, always got to make sure to stay hydrated, man. Mess around and get sick out of here real quick. All right, so just got that little job done. Made some money, boys. Ooh, let's see, 20, 40, 60, 70 bucks for that job. Took me less than an hour. On to the next. All right, guys, so here's the next yard that I'm about to do. Just your basic standard front yard, and then there's a backyard too, but it's not that big. But I'm not gonna film this one just because, you know, it's pretty not really much going on here. Just a quick little cut, make some lines, make it look nice for Christmas, and we're out of here. All right, got it all done. Looks nice and neat, nice little lines. Customer's happy. On to the next. So just got done with that yard. Here's the payment for that yard. Another 70 bucks. So 140 bucks already in 2 yards and about an hour and a half of work. So this is why I do this, guys. You know, it's really rewarding. I can make my own schedule. You know, I create my own wealth. I don't have to answer to anybody. I get up when I want. I do what I want. I got financial freedom. I can go where I want, take the day off if I want, which I normally don't because I like to work. But I don't know. If you got the drive, you know, dedication, just go for it, you know. You can make a lot of money doing whatever it is that you're passionate about. Mine just happens to be landscape and hauling business, and I do really well with it, as you can see. I can't imagine myself going to work, working 8 hours a day, making $100 a day on my paycheck. I couldn't imagine it when I can do that in an hour. So if you want to be successful, you know, believe in yourself, give yourself a shot, you know, whether it's landscape, hauling, house cleaning, painting, you know, electricians, plumbers, you know, whatever it is, you guys can do it. So hope you guys are enjoying the video. I'm kind of just rambling right now, and it's not really much going on, but hey, hope you guys are all having a good day. Let's go. I don't know, man. Those look like rain clouds to me. So back behind me, I know you can't really see, but I kind of showed you hella rain clouds. But if you look this way, clear skies. Good thing I'm going that way. I'm gonna try to get probably one more yard done, 1 or 2, and probably gonna have to call it a day. So the storm's coming, guys. It's brewing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the storm's freaking brewing. I wasn't even able to mow at this yard, but I had a bunch of leaves I had to pick up. So made 35 bucks. So I did 3 yards today, and I made let's see, 70, 140 plus 35, 175 in about 2.5 hours. So I had a good day today. Merry Christmas, guys. Have fun with your friends and your family. Hope you guys are all doing well, and stay safe and stay healthy. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace.